Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we would discuss the video about squaring numbers in 10 to 15 seconds. So guys, in this video I would give you some difficult numbers like to take out the square of 32 in just at least 10 to 11 seconds. That would solve your problems in your upper grade levels. So today let's start our video. So our first question is, firstly we will do it this part, can we do it two methods. Firstly I will teach you method 1. So what is method 1? We have to take out the square of 32. Like somebody says that we have to do like this, 32 multiplied by 32. That sometimes you can make a mistake as well in this, but no. But today what I am telling to you, focus on that. Like firstly we have to multiply 3 multiplied by 2, the both numbers inside the brackets, and the number that is outside, like a power square, that also we have to multiply. Understood? We have to multiply all these three numbers by each other. 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. What is the answer came? 3, 6 and 12. Now all of you remember one thing, that we have to bring every number in 2 digits. So we have to take out the square of these two numbers. The square of which two numbers? 3 and 2. So what is the square of 3? 0, 9. What did I told you? You have to bring 2 digits. That's why I wrote 0, 9. And if we don't, because 0 has a no value, so that's why I put 0. So, and here 0, 4. Listen guys, focus on it. We will not use this number to make as a square. So answer will become wrong. And this number would come in the middle of these two numbers. And the answer came 4201. 1024. If you have any doubts, check in your calculator. If you didn't understand it, I'll give you another example of 74. Example of 74 square. What I tell you have to multiply 3 multiplied by 2, right? And the power here. Just like we will do here. 7 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2. What is the answer came? 56. Now, what did I told you? We have to take out the square of 7 and 4. We don't have to touch the third number. So, square of 7, 49. Guys, listen one more thing. That in here, I put a 0 as you have to bring a 1 value. You have to bring 2 digits. But here, already there are 2 digits. So, guys, please don't put a 0 here. That your answer will come wrong. So, please, if there are 2 digits, if there is only 9 or 4 or 2, we will put 0 here. If it is 56, 49 and 81, we will not put a 0. Keep this thing in your mind. And this 4 square of 4, 16. And this number, we will carry it in the between of these two numbers. We will plus it. 6, 7 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The 5, 4, 7, 6. Yes guys, 5, 4, 7, 6. And let me tell you one thing. All these numbers that I am taking you are checked from the calculator. And one more example. Now after this we will solve in seconds. Now this, again I am telling you, like 5 multiplied by 2, these two numbers are multiplied, and now we will multiply again the square with it. Multiply by 2. What's the answer came? 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20. And if you take out the square of 5 and 2, don't touch this number. And then 5 square 25. Look, there's 4. So we will put here 0, 4. The number would come in between. 4, 0, 7, 2. I'll check you for a while. Is my answer correct or wrong? Look guys, 2704. My answer is correct. For you, 74. 5476. This is also correct. Now 32 multiplied by 32. 1024. That's also correct. Now we would solve these sums in seconds with the new numbers. Guys, so let's solve only one number with a quick thing. And okay, what's the number? Okay, the number is 64 square. Let's do in seconds. 6 4s are 24. 24 4s are 48. 48 is the answer. Now 6 36, 16. 48 came in between. And 6, 9, 10, 11, 4. 4, 4, 1 is the answer. Let's check the numbers again. Sorry. 6 4s are 24. 4 2s are 8. And 8 6 are 48. And 36, 16, 48. Let's start with calculator only. 64 multiplied by 64. Look guys, yes, the answer is correct. Wait a second. Why I'm carrying a number here? 4096 is the answer. Sorry, 3096. Okay? 3096 is the answer. Now, we will do with the method number 2. Guys, this method is too much easy, but we have to focus. For that, we will take a number 87. Okay, so what we will do? We will firstly make it a number that would end with 0. That here the units number would come in 0. So we will do plus 3 and here minus 3. And in a corner, you would write the square of these two numbers. Or at least the square of 3, 9. So the answer came 09. Sorry, you have to take 2 digits number, right? Yes. And 90 minus 84. Guys, now focus. Look, because of 90, there could be a problem occurred. So we will do it divided by 10. And this, the first number in this, the unit number, you would take it as a 10. So we would cut these both numbers. So firstly, sorry for that, we will multiply it. I'm too much sorry. We multiply it. So 84 9s are 756. 756. And then the 9 here would be carried in with this number. 7569. Did you got it? If you did not got it, don't be tense. Now you would do with 2 digits, a 3 digits number. 3 digits square. Okay, let's take the first example as 213. To make it 0, what we will do? We will do it minus 13 and plus 13. The answer came 200 multiplied by 226. And what's the square of 13? 169. So what did I told you? We will do it upon. There are 2 zeros, so we will do 100. And these 2 zeros would go shift with these 2 digits, 6 and 9. The number like this came like this. Now what did the answer came? 452. And upon 169. Okay. So guys, listen. Like these two numbers are taken in the behalf of these 2 zeros. But what about this 1? So we will add this 1 to this number. 453. And these 2 numbers will shift to this number. 69. 45369. Yes. If you don't understand till yet, don't be tense. There are many examples. And yes guys, today I'll give you some sums to solve. And I would be happy if you solve these sums with this method only and give me the answer in the comment box. And if you like the video, just give it a like. The second number we can take 678 square. Guys, this number is too much easy, just focus on it. We will do it minus 22 and plus 22. After plussing it, it would be 700. and after minusing it, it will be 656. What is the square root of 22? 484. Okay, so what did I told you? That we would bring it upon 100 as there are two zeros, and these two zeros would be cutted and they would come in the behalf of 8 and 4. It means 8 and 4 would come in the behalf of these double zeros, and if we multiply, the answer came 4592, and there's 484. Like these both zero were on the behalf of this, so this number 4 would plus with this number, so 4596, and these two numbers we would write same as it, 459681. 459. Sorry. I'm so much sorry, guys. It was 4. My mistake. And this. Then now one more example. 388 square. For that we will do minus 12 and plus 12. The answer would come at 400 and multiplied by 376, and upon 100 144. These both number would come, and double 4 will come in the behalf of these two numbers. 376 would become 1504, and on the behalf of 144. Now these two numbers, I told you these two numbers come on behalf of these two numbers. This number would plus 1505, and these two numbers would come as it is 1505. 44. Right, guys? I told you it is too much easy. Okay, guys, so last example I am giving you, focus on it. And we'll do minus 13 plus 13, and 500 multiplied by 526, and the number is 169 came here. Upon 100, these two zero cut, this two number can come on behalf of this. The 5 was the answer to here, 2630, and this 169. So the one number would come on behalf of this, 2631. This number becomes same, 69. So the answer is right. Yes, of course it's right. So now we have done this with our today's lesson, and today I am giving you few sums for homework. You have to solve it. For one number is 888 squared, and 59 squared. These two sums. You have to solve this and answer me in the comment box. So guys, I hope that you would understand today's video, and please subscribe my channel and stay home, stay safe.